Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI just a week ago, to be precise on November 21st of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $24.91. And at this point, my main assumption was that we have to retest about $23.66 range, this green rectangle, and depending on the reaction right after this retest, we might anticipate its next trend. The bear trend was the following. If it would retest this range and go to the upside, and then if it would break this range again, the next point of control should be $21.72. But if this level holds, and what is more importantly, if it breaks this previous swing high at roughly $28, it will be a pure sign of its potential trend reversal. And guys, take a look right here. We were somewhere at this point at $24.9 mark, and since I made my previous video, this asset retested exactly to the tick $23.66, had a bounce, and what is more importantly, guys, on the previous session it broke $28.5 mark, and for now, guys, as you can see, it gained from its lowest, from its swing low, 26% to its value. And this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to receive this type of call to action pretty much on a daily basis, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account with limited time offer, Black Friday 50% discount. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you a very interesting update and very important news that might be a catalyst for the next upcoming cycle for SOFI, and I will show you how we can benefit out of its movement. So let's begin with the general sentiment related to SOFI stock. If I type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to new stock folder, you can see that there is several recent news, and couple of news grabs my attention. One of them is right here. This is the article that was published on Yahoo Finance, and it's titled "SOFI stock is a table pounder at $25. Here's why you should buy the dip." And to be honest, this article is quite interesting. It explains all the recent price action, and what is more interesting, it explains wait a second, right here, that the rally isn't over. You can see that its growth, SOFI's growth, is really impressive, and it improved its member count over 10x, and definitely it is not the end. On top of that, guys, you know that this company has a very deep pockets right now, because they have, let me show you in their financial section, let me show you that they have, as you can see right here, about $3.75 billion cash on hands, and definitely this amount of money should be invested, and I believe that we will see some mergers and acquisitions that will be made by SOFI, and that will acquire some companies, potentially some crypto industry companies. On top of that, let me show you another article, and let me quote you just several key points. First of all, it's titled "SOFI is betting big on crypto, but is it hurting or helping the financial giant stock?" And the key bullets are following. SOFI recently enabled crypto trading for its investors, which should generate significant revenue growth. This isn't SOFI first rodeo, as the company enabled crypto trading from 2019 to 2023. Robinhood's and Coinbase's financial results suggest SOFI should deliver exceptional growth thanks to crypto. And I also believe that SOFI will drastically improve the number of its membership because of the crypto industry, because of this potential crypto acquisition or just crypto trading in general. And this will definitely be another bullish catalyst for SOFI in the long-term perspective. But for now, let's take a look at this list. It is the list of so-called smart money investors, and let me show you just two filings. One filing, let's begin with this one. Jane Street Group filed this 13G amendment on November 13, and they reduced its position by half, and they hold for now about 30.6 million shares of SOFI. And on the one hand, it is not the good sign, but on the other hand, guys, they just rebalanced their position by half. They reduced its position, and it means that they still hold about 2.6% of the entire company. And let me show you another filing that was made on November 26. JP Morgan Chase and Co. added to their current position 881.1%, and for now they hold in SOFI $1.236 billion in value. And this means, this is the filing date, and they added to their position at quite high prices. Let me show you that the deal happened in Q3 of this year, which means it happened from July all the way to end of September, and which means the purchase price is hovering in between $20 all the way up to $29. So, and for now, I have to admit that if we take a look at the general sentiment, how many institutional investors want to have SOFI in their investment portfolios, you can see that SOFI has the highest level ever of institutional investors who want to have their stocks in their investment portfolios. So definitely it is a very bullish sign, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, for now we don't need this forecast. We have another option that came to fruition. We had a perfect bounce out of the range of support, and potentially this is the bottom of the C wave. And technically speaking, we have all the conditions on the table, and for now, from this bottom, this asset might hit higher targets. This consolidation phase basically hovers around the levels, let's say from 32 all the way down to $23 for quite a while, from August, from end of August of this year, and which means we have more than enough time to say that this consolidation has completed, and we might see its next movement to the upside. And what will be the sign of its bullishness, guys? First of all, let me show you that from this bottom, within just within just several days, within just 1 week, basically, this asset rose for more than 26%. We have to see the retracement. And when it happens, guys, this level should hold, and depending on the structure of this retracement, we can accumulate our long position with the assumption that this asset might go higher. And yes, one of the concerning parts is the volume of this quite substantial movement to the upside. But on the other hand, guys, as long as this bottom holds of $23.66, we have all the chances to see the trend continuation right after some kind of this type of price action happens. And somewhere at, well, I believe that within just several days I will do another update and I will show you where we might land, where will be another range of support to see its next leg to the upside. And in this case, the upside potential for this stock might be quite substantial. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.